Today we shall start question number 1 of exercise 5.1. Statement is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? In this question, statements are given and we have to tell these statements are true or false. First statement is, only one line can pass through a single point. This statement is false because if single point is given, from this single point so many lines can pass through like this. It means we can say that from a single point infinitely many lines can pass through from this single point. So statement is only one line can pass through a single point, so it means this statement is false. Second part is, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through two different points. This statement is false because if two points are given, A and B, if 2 points are given, only one line can pass through from these 2 points. So it means there are infinite number of lines which pass through two different points. So this statement is false because only one line can pass through two different points. Third point is, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides, as it is second postulate of Euclid's, in which a terminated line, suppose this line is AB, this terminated line can be produced on both the sides to form a line. So it means this statement is true. Fourth part is, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. In this, if two circles are given with center, these two circles are given and they are equal. They are equal means they coincide each other, or we can say that they completely cover each other. If they completely cover or if they overlap each other means their radii will be equal. So this statement is true. Now fifth part is, in the given figure, if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. In this question we have to tell this statement is true or false. As AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, means XY is also equal to PQ. As we know that first axiom of Euclid, the things which are equal to the same thing means they are equal to each other. AB is equal to PQ and XY is also equal to PQ. So we can say that AB is equal to XY. So it means this statement is true.